Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, panoramic roof, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.